What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create and share temp users into your WordPress website. Imagine that you would like that someone temporarily access your site to do something and lose this access into a day, into a week, for example. How to set this up? This is what we're gonna learn to this video, but before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials. Then, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the sub-menu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click and type WordPress Login Security, his guide right here. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin startup page. Now, review the left sidebar of menus once again and hover mouse over Users. Normally it's under Plugins. And you're gonna be able to see a new field called Temporary Logins. We're gonna create a temporary login. You need email address, first name, last name. The role can be support agent, editor, affiliate, support manager. It can be an author. If 2FA enforced, up to you. Redirect after login to WordPress page. Login expired in 7 days. For example, it can be on 2 days. And from initial access, 1 day. Expire in specific date and time, up to you. Expire account after 5 logins. Send new user to the email via link, up to you, okay? You can send or not. Let me choose an email. Create login link. Now, all we have to do is grab this link right here, copy to clipboard and share with some person by email, by WhatsApp, by Telegram, anything that you want. This person gonna have access to my site until this date, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best, and don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes.